I'm so excited.
We haven't done this. It seems like
Long
forever.
time.
Once a week is not enough. We need to do it more.
What are you doing here?
You guys are quick.
Travis, get
Wow.
out.
No, can I come?
No.
I've always wanted to know what this thing was like.
Wait.
Travis,
Wait.
no. Travis.
Maybe he can help us out with
I can
that
help.
thing. That thing that we were going to
I can help about that thing.
Thing.
Stacy and I did a thing. We did
a thing and it's fine. It's
It
good.
doesn't sound fine.
It's really good. We kind of took your pictures off your Facebook and put them on the dating profile. I'm sorry.
I'm married.
Radiomatch.com.
It's real.
Radio husband. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah. You're amazing.
It's not like that's
Yeah.
what we don't want you to think. We don't think you
it's
need
just that, like,
someone.
Because I'm really having fun right now being single.
What if you had somebody to help enhance your life in the radio?
I don't want anyone taking my radio mom away from me.
Well, it's not.
Thank you,
You were
Travis.
supposed to help. Remember?
He's got to be happy in the morning. My former partner was not.
Yeah.
We'll make sure. Right.
That's a big if I'm going to do this. Oh, I'm going to be doing the fishing. No one's fishing for me.
Sense of humor.
Good looking would be great.
Yeah, but
Easy on the eyes in the morning.
Did I already say nice?
Looking
teeth?
Nice
Yeah,
smile would
Yeah.
be great.
Nice teeth.
Right. Just try it.
Just take a look.
Just take me to Iceman games.
Of course.
Yeah.
That's a must.
Maybe we can go fishing and eat hamburger helper by a lake. And we have to play Jenga every Tuesday night.
Maybe he could enhance what I'm already doing.
Yeah, it's
You
not
don't
like
need
he's
somebody,
but
right.
it would be a great addition to your life.
Thinking about reading the menu.
Yeah.
I like that. And technically, I'm not really on a diet right now because
You're
I
not
don't
on a
have
diet.
a radio husband.
Right.
I just need to consult my medium first.
Take a gander. Remember these qualities that we've all talked about.
Yeah.
And just remember one more thing.
What?
I'm not calling him dad.